What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. My apologies, guys, for the camera quality today. The natural light isn't quite as good at the place I'm staying now, so I'm going to go out and buy a ring light so y'all can see me a bit better. I know it doesn't matter that much, but we're going to go over VeCHAIN, guys. Currently, we're up 4% on the day. We're sitting at 0.137. We're sitting at a market cap of 8.72 billion. 24-hour volume, 548 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cash back in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour chart. The first thing I want to start off with is we have a bearish divergence here. You can see we created a higher high, we created a lower high, so we may see a little bit of pullback here down to the EMAs. We do have a very strong level of support. You can see here we blasted through it, we back tested it as support, so we may not come all the way back down to 0.125, but what I would look for is the EMAs on the 4-hour chart. See here, we got overextended, we came back to the 20, we got overextended, so we may be coming back down to the 20 EMA, and then also keep an eye on the 55. We've broken out of our inverse head and shoulders, and we're on our way to our target at 0.16387. We'll most likely hit some resistance here on the golden ratio at 0.147. Now we're currently running into a pretty big level of resistance. You can see here resistance, and we also had resistance right here, and those were all moves back down, but we are starting to enter into an explosive cycle here, so seeing a large correction is doubtful in my opinion. All right, guys, if we look at VET here on the daily, we just had the bullish cross, massive signal of strength. If we ignore our little pump here, I'm going to show you the last bullish cross for VET just to get you guys a little bit excited here. So this was our last bullish cross back in November of 2020, guys. So we're going to take our measurement from our bullish cross, and that was a juicy pump of 2,362% for VET. Now I have dropped in some future price targets. I do think VeCHAIN is going to at least reach the 2. I had some commenters in my last video. They're like, no way, bro. Hopium, get off the platform. You're the worst. But I love you guys. I thank you so much for commenting and watching my video. I really appreciate it. And from the current price, if we make it all the way up to the 2, it's a juicy gain of, it's a 10x for VET, and I think it's very possible. It's my opinion, guys. It's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. All right, guys, and then we have this massive cup and handle or inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Your neckline is up just above the golden ratio here. I'm going to drop it in with a little price target up at about 0.154, and your breakout target is up here at 24.62 for VET. All right, guys, so in the short term we may see a little bit of pullback. Watch the EMAs as support, and then your next level of resistance here 14.7, and then your technical target is up here at 16.38, and we could find some resistance at our neckline, which I had just dropped in here at about 0.152. So that's basically it for VET. Watch for the bounce off the EMAs, but if we were to lose them as support, do target 0.1259 as a strong level of support for VeCHAIN. You can see all the resistance at this level as well. All right, shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members. We're posting profits, we're posting chart patterns. Great way to stay ahead of the game as a trader, as an investor. It's the price of a coffee. Check out crypto.com, follow me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Much love, take care.